Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to fix your valve from Netatmo and Legrand company. These valves are 2 years old only, and during the third winter I started to get issue pairing to my bridge. The valve was not recognized and keep rebooting. So sorry, this one is working right now, but the valve was keep rebooting. So another issue I have on another one valve was on a brand new one, because I bought a new one to replace the faulty one, and the new valve was also faulty. I was keep getting, after only a day or 2 days, low battery, even with brand new battery. I couldn't understand why, and then I found it on internet. That's not my fix. I just found it online. So I'm going to explain it. In fact, Netatmo knows about it because they are selling the fix. The fix is a tape. They sell you tape, not this tape here, but the genuine tape, the one you already have, that one. They sell you that tape 10 euros because they know they have an issue with the tape quality here. And this is the cause of your issue of low battery issue or pairing issue. In fact, the quality is not enough to make a good contact, and so there's some kind of resistance here, and the current is not big enough. In my case, when the motor was starting during the calibration, because of the bad contact, the valve keep rebooting. So here is the fix. You have to buy this kind of tape. It's something like on AliExpress, 3 euros shipping included. You can also buy it on Amazon. I will send you the links. Here is the fix. Let's go. It's a 1-minute fix. Here's my tape. Yup. Hop. I fixed it. So you will see the difference. The valve will keep rebooting, and will show number for pairing. It will also save you issue with low battery notification. That's it. 3 euros fix for 90 euros valve. Have a nice day, guys.